going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be an exciting one. We're so stoked. Tony is on his way here right now, and we are going to pick up the wheels. That's right, guys, they are done, rebuilt, and tires. They are crazy. Wait till you guys see them. Also, right inside, we also have the new wrap for his car, and we are also going to be revealing that today as well. We are both pretty excited, but I know he really is. So as soon as he gets here, we're gonna head out to the shop, pick up the wheels, get this thing unwrapped, or get the box unwrapped so we can check it out and reveal the color to you. But it's gonna be a really cool one. I'm super stoked. I hope you guys are as well. If you guys are new, please make sure to smash that subscribe button. Make sure to leave a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. All right, guys, so Tony is here, and look at the smile on his face.
The wrap is here.
It is here.
I need a blade though.
All right, hold on, pause.
All right,
sir. All right, so the time has come. Wait, I gotta get that lighting. There we go, right here.
I'm fucking sleepy, guys. Like, I'm legit tired. All on autopilot on my way here. I swear, I just let the Beamer take me. I was like,
In Tesla or what?
yeah, fuck. Dude, hey, speaking of that, Tesla crashed on 7th Street by my house.
Really?
Jeez.
Before he opens this, I want you guys to comment down below. No cheating. Comment down below, what color do you think his G35 is going to be? The time has come. Wait, hang on.
Oh, shit.
Bro.
Ah, fuck, I can't get this shit out.
Wait, I can't stop moving.
Bro, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Bro, look at this.
Wait.
Oh my god.
What?
Dude. Jenny, look at this shit. Get her reaction too.
This is his new color on his car.
This is gonna be my new color on my car.
Oh shit, that's nice.
Watch out, hold on, you're blocking,
That's gonna be-
you're blocking the sun. Hold on, look.
Oh shit, that's
I'm gonna bleep that part out.
Bro,
it is.
I know, but they don't know it yet.
Oh.
look at this.
Damn. Okay. Are you guys ready?
So fucking nice.
All right. Cue the cinematics. All right, well, that was a fun little cruise with this guy.
That shit, look at this.
Damn, what is this? Okay.
Look at these wheels.
And then me with my no bumper game.
Can. Get out of the way! Hey, you don't mind he records? This is my boy Lewis.
What's up, man?
YouTuber. my
How's it
friend.
going, bro? Lewis, nice to meet you.
Dude, I already peeped them right now. I'm about to cry right now, dog.
Fire, huh?
Bro, I'm not even looking at them yet. Damn.
God damn.
Those got two tires in one good.
God damn.
Yeah, this shit is fucking nasty, bro. The only bad thing is the white fucking gets dirty hella bad. Nah, it's okay. It's white. Damn, but you part of that?
Damn,
oh yeah, you
dude.
can feel it. You can.
Yeah, because you had
It's paint cans.
Okay. Okay.
the wrap I got?
Okay. Damn.
Oh, it's a work car, so there's trash bags, invoices.
You're good, bro. You're good.
Flip this around.
Oh, God, no.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be hiding the sub. I have a third row. Open it up. Rad Rides did a good job.
Oh, there you go.
That's
Nice.
Okay.
Took the spare tire off.
That's nice.
Oh,
You got the
yeah.
two compressors. I
Yeah.
see it. Is this the 3P?
The 3.8.
3.8?
3.8,
Okay.
yeah.
Damn, that's hard.
Yeah. Dope.
That's the one with the, you got the remote.
Yeah.
Hard.
Yeah.
Hidden as well. Nothing. I'm
you
putting
can
I'm actually putting the stock stereo back on too.
Okay.
Cause I
You
wanted
want
to
that?
be,
You want that
I
original.
wanted to like.
as original as you can, as mint as I can get.
There, you can see it.
Dude, that's where the hole was at? That's hard.
Wait, where did you have it at? I didn't even notice. Let's see this.
Ah, that's
I'm supposed to make a
Oh,
little
okay. Okay.
bracket for it,
I
make
see
it
you,
look
I see
nice,
you.
but
Yeah.
I mean, like I said, it's actually a daily driver. So
Yeah, no, for sure.
I'm not driving this. I'm driving my other truck, but
Yeah, this is
most of the time I'm
clean.
driving
Yeah.
this.
Dope, dude. Go ahead and get that
Alright, he has
Instagram.
the same airlift kit, but
Damn.
3P. I do too, but mine's on the phone.
Yeah, I can do the phone too, but I
Yeah.
get annoyed about all that.
Hey, you got a
shit.
Bluetooth connect.
Yeah.
This thing is bad.
Well, I mean, other than that, it's pretty stock. Nothing done to it.
Nah, this is clean.
Yeah,
I
the
like
wheels,
this.
I built them myself.
Okay.
One
Hey,
of my
by the
buddies
way,
got me the
this is
pieces.
New Year's tires out here in Santa Ana. If y'all don't know, now you know.
Thank you for that. So what was up with these wheels?
The wheels, I got one of my buddies that got me the pieces for me, and then I just did all the work myself.
Okay.
Just 'cause we have a
Damn, dude.
The microfiber? That shit looks good.
Those wheels are.
I know, they're hard.
what?
This is paint.
Yeah, it's all factory. It has touch-ups, but I mean it's pretty stock. I actually had a tree fall on it,
What?
and the guys did a pretty good job. I mean, they didn't even charge me just to do a quick bump on it.
Yeah.
I was gonna do an insurance claim, all that. Just,
Yeah.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss.
All right, guys. So being at this shop, seeing him getting his new wheels, seeing his engine bay, and just the vibe of this, like this is goals to me, guys.
Put the top down.
One day, yeah, he's gonna have to put the top down. They don't fit. Like this is just goals, like, you know, working on some dope cars and just doing what I love. And one day to own a shop like this and just kind of just do my thing, do what I love doing, like that's honestly like my huge goal in life. And I can't do it without you guys. If you guys can just help support me, smash that thumbs up, watch every video, subscribe if you guys are not already, and if you guys are already watching my content and you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. It really will help me out a lot to hopefully one day be able to achieve our goal of doing this full time. And if that's the case, big things to come, guys. Really, really big things.
Yeah, that looks way crazier.
Imagine sticking them out that far and just doing something like stupid wide.
Dude, that looks crazy.
Yeah, that's I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty jealous. I raised this guy in 2 cars and now he's passed me. I've trained you well.
There's no passing.
No, you passed me.
There's no such thing
His?
as passing.
Mine. You passed me. Alright guys, so we are back home now. Wheels are insane. Comment below, let us know what you guys think. If you guys like it, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are not already. This thing is really gonna be taking off.
Bro, I'm
I
just
mean-
doing this just for a test run.
Those are the center caps. Who wants to just see what it looks like? but wheels are in, wrap is in. Really all it is now is just finishing up the body, throw the wheels on, wrap it, and this thing's done. And then
Looks a little weird because it's like,
it's different.
yeah, it's a little different. I don't know how I feel about it.
It's different.
Yeah, it's different.
Play it out. I mean, you can always change it out if you want to. So, but yes, sir. Now I need to step my game up because of this guy. But stay tuned, guys. Like I said,
Hang around with me, I make you step up your game too, homie. Don't play with me. That's how I feel. That's how I am. I bring that to the table, homie.
yeah. All right. Okay. But we got the front bumper on the way. We have another part on the way. You guys don't know, but stay tuned for that. That right there is going to change up the car. And then I'm starting to come up with new ideas, I think, for wrap. I was talking to him about,
Yes.
I think, 2 or 3 options. So I'm planning on that. There's a lot I want to do now, and I kind of want to start going, after seeing this, I kind of want to go like sort of aggressive. Maybe not as aggressive as his, keeping it still clean, but a little bit more aggressive than this. I don't know. We'll see when the kit comes in, because that's going to change a lot. But with that being said, is there anything you want to say, Tony?
Hey, if you know, you know. If you don't, you broke, homie.
Simple.
Yankee Society, Royal Spades, Louis Barbone, Big Barber T in the house. Like I said, hang around with me enough, I make you step your game up, homie.
Dude, you almost knocked the camera out of my hand. Was that the outro?
That was the outro.
That's the outro. All right. Sneak peek. Extra footage.
Bro,
it's raining and his top was down.
Bro.
Look at this, bro.
Bro, look at this.
Look at this, bro.
I'm so mad right now. It's getting wet.
It starts raining. I'm like, is your top down? He's Look at this, bro.
What a fucking fail.
Woo.